Tomorrow I'll be playing my Pastoral Sonata to students at Guildhall School of Music and Drama. It's a piece that I composed for piano with electronics. The electronics were composed by my friend and colleague Nye Parry, and the whole piece is a celebration of the natural environment. But the piece began with a tiny miniature that was written during the dark days of lockdown for the pianist Rolf Hind. And this tiny piece that I'm about to play on the piano forms the beginning of the Pastoral Sonata that I'll be playing tomorrow. And the piece uses little pastoral tropes. You might even recognise things that slightly remind you of Beethoven's Pastoral Symphony, slightly, or hint at folk song, but also little bursts of birdsong. See if you can recognise them. And also a sense of the resonance of the forest. You know, if you're walking in the forest and birds are singing and you can hear the echoing of their beautiful songs in the trees around you. It's a wonderful thing when you hear that.